The Western Desert is a large, dry region in the northern western part of Indian subcontinent. It is also known as Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. Now come to know about what is desert. A desert is a barren and sandy land that receive very little rainfall. The Western Desert lies mostly in the state of Rajasthan. It is also extended in the southern part of Haryana and Punjab and into northern Gujarat. Some part of the Western Desert lie in Pakistan. About 70% of Rajasthan is covered with desert. Therefore, this state is known as Desert State of India. To the east of Thar Desert lie to the Aravali, while to the south of Rann of Kutch. The Western Desert is covered with sand dunes and sand hills. These sand dunes and hills keep on shifting from one place to another due to strong winds blowing in this area. Look at the picture. The Great Indian Desert receive poor rainfall. It is very dry and sandy. So it has extreme climate. The sand in the desert heat up very fast and cool down faster. So the days are very hot and the nights are cold. Although the day temperature in the desert area soar over 40 degrees Celsius and it can drop below 0 degree at night. The Rajasthan is the hottest state of India. It has very hot summer and very cold winters. The Western Desert receive very little rainfall. Deserts. Now come to know about natural vegetations and wildlife. Due to the less rainfall, not much vegetations grow in the Western Desert. There are thorny bushes scattered over the large area. The natural vegetation of the Thar Desert is made up of trees, shrubs and herbs. Look at the picture. The Thar Desert is a home to the several species of reptiles. Animals like bedbug, Indian wildasses and are found here. The desert is also home to the large number of birds like peacock, great Indian bustard and spotted flycatchers. Many desert animals have light colored fur which help them to keep cool, and these are several national parks in the Thar Desert area. Now come to know about irrigation. Rajasthan receives very little rainfall. There is a shortage of water in the state. People use water from the wells and tends to irrigations their land. Some parts of Rajasthan are irrigated by Indira Gandhi Canal, one of the biggest canal project in India. It starts from the river Satluj and ends near Jaisalmer.